Starting crypto trading on Kraken? First, create and verify your account. Enhanced verification now includes AI-powered facial recognition. Fund it via bank transfers, credit cards, beware of 3.5% fees or crypto. Let's talk orders. Market orders buy or sell instantly at the current price. Good for speed, but risky in volatile markets. Limit orders let you set a specific price, executing only when reached, great for control. Stop loss orders automatically sell if the price drops to a threshold, minimizing losses. In 2025, Kraken introduced AI-assisted smart orders that analyze trends and suggest placements. Security is paramount. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA with hardware keys, and use encrypted wallets. 95% of assets are in cold storage. Activate advanced security settings, including IP whitelisting. Kraken's insurance fund covers up to $500 million in hacks, but consider a hardware wallet like Ledger for your holdings. Remember, start small, diversify, and avoid leverage until you're experienced. Kraken's fees are tiered based on your 30-day trading volume. Makers, who add liquidity, pay from 0.16% down to 0.0%, while takers, who remove liquidity, pay from 0.26% down to 0.0%. Pro traders pay even less for spot and futures. Crypto deposits are free, but fiat withdrawals incur fees. In 2025, Kraken launched a beginner fee waiver for first-year users trading under $10,000 monthly. As for trends, look for more DeFi integrations and AI-driven tools like automated tax reporting. Sustainable crypto is rising, with Kraken adding green tokens. Cross-border trading is up thanks to Kraken's expansion in emerging markets. Experts predict Kraken might merge with traditional finance firms or offer tokenized stocks in the future. Quantum-resistant security is in development to combat hacking risks. Watch for gamified learning and mobile-first interfaces, as most users trade via apps. Note that regulatory changes or potential bans in the US could occur in the future.